Okay guys, it's on activities, right? And you have all of these activities. You don't have to do them today. It's only the first one. So you're going to click on the first one and it's going to open this. So download the app. I think everybody has the app. If you don't have the app, you can access the link below. This is the link. So you click here and you click to open. All right, let's continue reading. Enter the code and listen to the instructions and answer the podcast about lesson 3 occupations. This is what you have to do. So on this one that is opening, I click here, all right? Log in and sign up. I click, continue with Google. It's going to open. You put your Google account. After putting your Google account, you're going to type in the password. And then again, on the same part, it's going to ask you to put the code up, participation code. Where is the participation code? It's here, HBOXVKG. HBOXVKG. Right? And when you enter, you listen to the instructions.
Good afternoon.
After you finish listening to the instructions,
okay,
you listen to lessons occupations. When you finish listening, you click here and you record your answer.